Hey guys, Krissii here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how I did my quick low bun. Starting off with adding a little water to my hair, and then I'll be using my Denman brush to comb through my hair. With this hairstyle, I decided to do a side part. Adding a little more water to my hair. You know water is good for the hair because it's the #1 moisturizer. Now I'll be using my Eco Styler Black Castor Oil Gel. It's my favorite gel. Brushing the gel through just to avoid flakes. I'll be using the hair tie without the metal because it's more safe for the hair. It won't pull or snag the hair. OMG, my hair is so thick. I have to brush, comb, and make sure everything is laid and slayed before putting the hair tie over. Applying more gel to avoid frizz. Yes, my hair can get really frizzy. I had to remove the hair tie one more time just to make sure it's flat and smooth. Yes. Just a little bit more gel. Now I'll be tying it with a scarf just for like 10 to 15 minutes. This is the best thing to do if you want it to last all day. So now everything is laid and slayed. Now I'll be making my bun, spraying a little leave-in conditioner on the ends of my hair just to make sure it's smooth. After the video was done, I realized that I had gel flakes on my clothes. OMG, that was from previous hairstyle. Then the next day I had to wash my hair. Now it's time for the baby hair. So this is how I do my low bun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.